Hi, welcome to today's Excel tip. At times in sheets, especially for accountants who work with constants like taxes, there will be a need to store that tax somewhere. At times you might use a cell to store a constant value that when you change, formulas are updated. There's a dynamic way to do it. So let's create a tax value right now. So let's go to our formulas. In our define names group, let's go to um, define name. So we're going to call this name VAT, valued added tax, and the scope is going to be the whole workbook, and the comment is going to be value added tax, and for now we'll set it to 14%. So now it's 14%. Now the reference, we're going to say equal to 0.14, which is 14%. Okay, so now we have our tax. So if you if you go to name manager, you see that it has created a VAT at 0.14. So it's a constant named range, so it's a constant value in the system. So if I were to calculate the maximum tax right now, it will probably be the maximum value here multiplied by the tax value. So I can say this max tax equals to this value times VAT. I can quickly go back to the define names and click the drop down and just click select VAT, and now you have it in the formula. You hit the enter key and that's the computation. Let's do the same for minimum tax. So the minimum amount times, and I can type it out VAT, and the system already sees it. VAT, press the enter key, and there you have it. So now globally in the system, the VAT value has been already set, and I can use it in the formulas that I may need. You can apply this in your own situation for any global value, and if you should ever want to change it, you should just click on name manager, VAT, or whatever your variable may be, then you click on edit, and then you can edit the value, and it will update all the formulas in the system with the new value. Try it and let us know how it goes. Thanks.